What's up, everybody? Earl here, coming to you from MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois. MGMClassicCars.com. Check out this treat. 1969 Chevelle big block convertible, loaded up with all the great options. Wait till we take a look at this beauty. Big block, 396. Been done a few years back. Power disc brakes. Air conditioning, factory unit, power steering, date coated engine, clean, drives amazing. We're gonna go for a ride in this puppy. Look how clean it is inside. Original manifolds. All your belts and hoses are in good shape, freshly done. Real clean in here. Seems to have good lines all the way through. Paint is deep, this deep red. Your front chrome bumper's in good shape. All your badging seems to be okay. A little bit of pitting, but nothing of major. All SS, everything. SS wheels. Lines up exactly the way it should. Fender to the door. All your glass. Genuine parts, clean. All your chrome, everything's working the way it should. Quarter to the door, gaps out great. Going through this thing, I see right here, this is a full panel they put on, quarter back in the day. You can see by here, really nice done. All your weather stripping is good. Original one is right here. And a spare tire with your jack. Trunk's in good shape with the boot cover for the convertible top. Got a couple more surprises for you with this one. It's got a 12-bolt rear end. Suspension's all been gone through with the SS, like I said. This rear quarter's in good shape. Couple little, oh, that's just dirt. Right here, there's one tiny spot. And right like here, maybe you could buff out. When you get off of it, you can't really see it. See how it gaps out, everybody? Really, really nice. Fender to the door, really good. Sport mirror. Look at the lines, straight through, no break. I like the pinstripe. All your seat belts are intact in the rear, as well as in the front. You got one thing here you're gonna have to repair. That's it. All your carpet's great. All SS, white bucket seats, air conditioning, dashboard's in great shape. You got the upgraded wheel, all SS, like I said, on the door panels. Badge with the 396. Oh, that's right, power windows, nice option. Tilt steering wheel. This thing is nice. Look how clean it is in here. You've got this in here, which tells you there's no filler. This is a winner. Automatic transmission, power top, all SS dash with 20,177 miles. Factory radio. I've got over 100 photos of it. We'll have online with underneath and everything. this out. Top's in great shape. Ton of photos of that on there. All right, let's see what she's got. We're located in Addison, Illinois, just 20 minutes southwest of O'Hare Airport. Oh God, this is nice. Our warehouse is open Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Saturdays from 10 to 2, all by appointment only. Grab a pen or your phone and I'll give you the number in a minute. Nice. Special financing is available if you have good credit with 10% down. We'll go as far as 180 months. You must qualify. Shipping all over the United States. Open and enclosed. Oh wow. This thing runs. Oh yeah. Stops great. Steering feels really good. If you have any questions on any of our cars, we've got 190 of them in stock. All our information is on mgmclassiccars.com. Photos, description, as well as video and pricing. You can reach me at 773-600-0919. I'm Earl. Now let's go for a ride. Let's go, baby. Well, no stories there. Goes through the gears nice, brakes really well. Pretty much turnkey. Cutting it all the way with no funky noises. Again, if you need to reach me on texting or any phone calls on shipping or our cars, 773-600-0919. Giddy up, horsey. Oh shit, this thing moves. Yeah. Stops great. Handles good. I may take this one home tonight. It's gonna get nice and sunny today. Drop top, all the goodies. mgmclassiccars.com. Like us on Facebook. Subscribe to our YouTube channels. Hang on. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about, folks. Big block power, 1969 Chevelle convertible, loaded with air conditioning, power windows, power top, tilt wheels. There's our warehouse, filled all the way from here down to that truck with a service center. Give me a call if you have any questions. 773-600-0919. Let's take a poke inside real quick, see what's going on. Hello. Thanks, everybody. Bye.